Hello world! Hello to all the visionaries out there. So, last time I share about the video na ano yung G12 Vision Team natin for this year. So, that is my intent or that is one of my aspiration why I'm doing business. So, again, this is Jhem Salcedo. In this video, in this YouTube channel, you will learn all about how to build your online business, especially online program courses business. So, yun. So, in today's video, it's all about marketing. Na iba na talaga yung algorithm nagbabago, yung mga tactics kung paano ma-attract yung mga ideal client mo. So, in today's video, I will gonna share 3 things na makakatulong sa business, especially online business, no? Kung paano lalo mong ma-attract yung mga ideal clients. Okay, so tutok ka lang. Alright, so there are 3 ways or most powerful ways for your business na pwedeng mong gawin ngayong year na to because ayon sa research talagang yung maraming tao talaga they are intentional na sila sa pagbili, sa acquire or sa pag-avail ng isang product. So you need to have this 3 tier of videos na makakatulong sa'yo to market your product or your service online. So I hope it can help you and pag hindi ito na-apply dun sa isang business, may hirapan siya talagang makuha yung trust and true connection and credibility, no, sa mga customers. So, what is the 3 videos na pwede kong ma-share sa'yo in today's video or in today's learning? So, number 1 that I can share to you is the short video. So, what the short video can give it to your business o anong magagawa. So, you can use short video like Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, no, meron na rin sa YouTube Reels. So, yung mga short video na yon, the benefit na makukuha mo sa business mo is you can have attraction and can have also increased visibility dun sa mga tao kasi mabilis lang sila. But hindi yung ma-engage talaga sila. But they can attract, they increase visibility na mapapansin, mayroon palang ganitong content. So, the short video also needs some value. So, pero mabilis lang. It's 15 seconds or 1 minute or sobrang yung 1 minute actually, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. So, yun yung mga short video na pwede mong gawin. So, it can help you market your business or your products to the people. Okay? So, short video. You use short video this year kasi actually, for me, I will apply all these tactics kasi kailangan ko talagang mas marami pang visibility dun sa mga target customers ko. So, you need to use the short video and have a value, no, dun sa mga sinishare mo sa kanila. So, that's number 1 tier. Okay, so I will gonna share to you the number 2 tier video. So, ano yung 2 tier video na yun? So, yung number 2 is, it's a video that long form video. Yan. So, long form video. Kailangan talaga, if you're not engaging in this kind of program, kailangan engage mo na yung sarili mo. Why? Because long form video builds a relationship. Kasi hindi katulad ng short video, no, yung value na may bibigay mo sa long video, kagaya nito sa YouTube channel, iba yung maibibigay mo. It nurtures your followers, your viewers, or your target market. You can nurture them with such value, no? So, yun naman talaga yung dahilan ka bakit ka nag-film ng video o bibigay ng mga content or vlogging, no? It's all about video. But it doesn't matter if it is entertainment, education, or inspiration. Ang mahalaga, it has a value to your viewers or to your target market. So, it's number 2 tier video is yung long form video. So we need to deliver such value, such content na talagang makakatulong dun sa mga target market mo. Like this. So if you want to dive into this kind of business, so you need to be engaged into this kind of program na kailangan mong magkaroon ng ganitong deliverance ng value sa maraming tao. So, you make a video, you search, and you learn and share the tactics from any form of videos. So, okay, so number 3 na tayo, last 3-tier video that I can share to you, the live video. Yan. So, meron din kasing algorithm sa live video. And, ano yung benefit na paggamit ng live video? It gives you true connection. Yan. So, kasi sa live video kasi walang script, hindi siya scripted kagaya ng mga ganito. Yung YouTube, pwede mo siyang i-script, pwede siyang edit, no? Pero sa live, hindi siya scripted. So, you can share tactics there, educate your viewers, or meron din connection. Yung pwede silang kumbaga, may question sila, and then you can answer them through the live video. So, yun yung mga kailangan natin gawin kung gusto mo talaga na makita o lalo ma-market yung mga ginagawa mo. O gusto mong makita o lalong maging visible dun sa mga target market mo. So, it builds connection, much deeper connection, kasi they will see you in a real time. They will see you that no scripted, you can share content and deliver also with such value. Yan. So, that's 3-tier video that can help your business. So, sa mga platform ngayon, no, yung mga video talaga, yung mas nakakapag-hook ng mga attention ng maraming tao ngayon. So, if you want to have an eyeball to your target people, target market, so you can use this 3 video. Okay, so I hope it adds value to you. Again, if you want more a video like this about how to build your business online, how can I help you? So if you want some learnings, and if you want yung talagang gusto mong malaman, or gusto mo na makagawa ko ng ibang mga video about business online, how to build it, you can comment below so that I can do a video for you. So that's it for today. God bless you and see you around. Okay, so I have a free ebook, no, yung Purposeful Business. So if you want to build your business online or physical man yan, so I have a free ebook for you. So you can download it. I will put the link on the description. So it's all totally free for you. So grab it because it's all for you.